Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy government treasury bills. First, understand that treasury bills, or T-bills, are a secure, short-term investment. They are debt obligations of the U.S. government, sold at a discount from their face value and mature in a year or less. This means you pay less than the face value and receive the full face value when they mature. We'll walk through the simple steps to get started. The first crucial step is to open an account with Treasury Direct. This is the only place you can buy U.S. Treasury securities directly from the government. Navigate to their official website and look for the Open an Account section. You'll need your Social Security number, a valid U.S. address, and your bank account and routing numbers for electronic transactions. Follow the prompts to complete the application process. Once your Treasury Direct account is active, log in and navigate to the Buy Direct tab. Here, you'll select Treasury bills from the available securities. You'll then specify the amount you wish to invest and choose your preferred maturity period, which can range from 4 weeks to 52 weeks. Review your order carefully before submitting it. The purchase amount will be debited from your linked bank account. After your purchase, your Treasury bills will be held electronically in your Treasury Direct account. You can view your holdings and transaction history anytime. When your T-bills mature, the full face value will be automatically deposited into the bank account you linked during setup. You can also choose to reinvest your funds if you wish. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.